Hello, today I'm going to show you something incredibly easy thing to do. What is it? Well, you might have already read that from the title. Anyway, so I have had this idea for 3 years, and 2 years ago I have bought some one of the part of that. Anyway, I'll show you what is it. I should probably stop doing this, filming on different days for the same video. Anyway, the point is I'm making a DIY. I already made it. I will just show you. DIY camera pod. It's not a tripod, it's not a gorilla pod, it doesn't bend. It's just a cheap, budget friendly camera pod. And for lighting, I'm not using that my old lighting thing. I'm using the tube light. I'm standing on a bed and using tube light for my light source for the video. This is also a bonus tip. Anyway, also I have another lightning trick up my sleeve. Tell me if does make any visible difference. Does it have any visible difference on me? Can you see it? No, it's not there. Now it's there. Can you see it? I just saw the footage I just recorded. The reflection gave it away. Yeah, I used a thermocol and it did make a difference. Right? Right. This is the thing. The bottle, a screw, where the camera goes. I will show you that in the mirror. So this is me holding my camera with just bare hands, and I will switch to the DIY pod in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it might not make that much difference, but it definitely is a lot different for me to hold it. Like, it's easier actually, and I feel very comfortable holding the camera to my face. I mean, it's easier than holding the camera directly like this. I have to stretch my hand more if I directly hold the camera. And this way it's easier. That's it. Not much difference. I hope I look normal in the frame. So this is how it looks. Well, I'm thinking that I would call this the prototype of the DIY camera pod, because I want to modify this into something more interesting looking. Because holding a bottle like this, actually it would be good, but I want to improve it. So there will be a part 2 for this video where I will be showing you some modification to this pod. Hopefully it will be done sooner. So this is what I used: a small bottle and this screw. I will show you the screw. So this is the screw. That I punched a hole in the bottle cap with knife and scissors or something. You can use anything. And I put the screw inside it. It's slightly slanting, so you can adjust it. Anyway, so this is the screw. So 2 years ago in 2015, woodwork was happening in the house, and I asked the carpenter for the screw size, showing the camera's screw hole, and then he told me that 1 by 4 inch screw is what you have to ask in the hardware store to get that screw. That's how I did, or just Google it, you know, camera screw size, or just go to the hardware store and show your camera and ask for the screw. Like, you have many options. Take the screw and put it somewhere where you can mount the camera on, and that's it. You have made your own DIY camera pod. You can take this to many levels.